Clyde Austin Drexler Sr., born June 22, 1962, is an American former professional basketball player who currently serves as the second commissioner of the Big 3 3-on-3 Basketball League. Nicknamed Clyde the Glide, he played 15 seasons in the National Basketball Association (NBA), spending a majority of his career with the Portland Trail Blazers before finishing with the Houston Rockets. He was a 10-time NBA All-Star, 5-time All-NBA selection, and was named to the NBA's 50th and 75th anniversary teams. Drexler led Portland to the NBA Finals in 1990 and 1992, won an NBA championship with Houston in 1995, and earned a gold medal on the 1992 United States Olympic team known as the Dream Team. He was inducted twice into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame, in 2004 for his individual career and in 2010 as a member of the Dream Team. Drexler is often considered among the top basketball players and top shooting guards of all time. Drexler was born in New Orleans, Louisiana, and lived in the South Park area in Houston, Texas. He attended Ross Sterling High School in Houston, where he was a classmate of tennis player Zina Garrison. As a sophomore, he made the varsity baseball team and tried out for the basketball team, but failed to make the cut. Drexler played as a 6'7" center as a senior. He began receiving attention from college coaches following a 34-point, 27-rebound performance against Sharpstown High School during a 1979 Christmas tournament. After graduating in 1980, he was recruited by New Mexico State University, Texas Tech University, and the University of Houston. The latter after childhood friend Michael Young told an assistant to head coach Guy Lewis that Drexler was the best player he had faced in high school. Houston was able to recruit them both due to Drexler's friendship with Young and his desire to stay home. Drexler majored in finance and worked at a bank during the summer. Lewis recalled in 2003 that he initially received hate mail from Houston supporters and alumni for recruiting Drexler, as they felt that he was not good enough to play for the school. Personal life, Drexler married his wife, Gaynell, on December 30th, 1988. They divorced in 2011. He has 4 children: Erica, Clyde Austin Jr., Elise, and Adam. In 2014, Drexler married his second wife, Tanya, whom he had met through fellow NBA star Dominique Wilkins. Drexler has owned homes in the River Oaks Memorial neighborhood of Houston and in the Dunthorpe suburb of Portland. His brother James and his 2 sisters, Denise and Virginia, once ran the family barbecue restaurants in Houston called Drexler's World Famous Barbecue and Grill, which included the 22 Bar. His mother, Eunice Scott, also worked at the downtown restaurant that was started by his uncle in 1967. There were two locations, downtown Houston and Bush Intercontinental Airport, that have since closed. Drexler also started investing in real estate in his rookie NBA season, and although he is now mostly retired, he does do some managing of his Drexler Holdings LLC, based in downtown Houston. Books. Drexler is the subject of the book Clyde Drexler, Clyde the Glide. He also wrote the introduction to the children's book Shrew's Canthoop. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.